A Tufts Veterinary student is looking to help dog owners ease their pets' stress. She's testing a theory by using something many people use to relax. Can the sound of music ease anxiety in dogs? It's what Tufts Veterinary student Sydney Beacey is hoping to find out.
As a pet owner, you might notice that your dog gets anxious when you leave for the day, when you leave for a few minutes, when you take them to a grooming appointment or a veterinary appointment.
Beacey spent the past few months studying 41 different dogs. She and the dog's owner would bring the animal into a classroom and then leave, creating stress for the dog.
And then while they were in the room alone experiencing that stressor, we would play music to them over the speakers, either silence as our control or music formulated for a dog's ear or human relaxation music, and then record their heart rate variability and video record them to look at their behavioral responses to the stressor and the music.
After playing the music, Beacey says they would compare dogs who were exposed to different types of music to see how their stress was affected. Tufts' Shauna Dowling-Geyer helped Beacey with her study. She says there's a fair amount of research to show dogs do respond well to certain types of music, but wants to see the results when it comes to short-term stress.
It was also really interesting to see just the different dogs and their reactions after their owner and Sydney left the room. So some dogs immediately relaxed, some wandered around and relaxed, some paced, some barked, some howled. So it was really interesting to see how different dogs, the kind of individual variation in personality and how they responded to that separation.
Beacey hopes the findings will give people an option for their pets to relax.
Music is a really great kind of low-cost, low-invasive way to reduce stress in people. So if we could find a way to translate that to dogs, it might help owners relax their dogs in situations where they get a little stressed out.
The next steps for Beacey and her advisors is to analyze the data collected. They expect to have solid findings by next summer.